So this is the cottage that I am renovating, and the job that I'm about to start is inside in my kitchen. Let's get in there and show you what we're about to start. So this is my kitchen at the minute, and what I'm intending to do is I am knocking a hole in this floor so I can create a staircase going underneath into my cellar. That way then I'm gonna redo all this kitchen. I'm gonna have a new kitchen coming all the way down here. I'm gonna create like some sort of wine cellar down there. I'm gonna have like a utility room, and it's just gonna be more beneficial for me. But my main concern at the minute is getting this hole created where I can, something to work with, and then we can start getting the stairs in. So underneath at the minute, I have got 3 joists, 1, 2, 3. And then going across here, I have got a stone lintel, which that is staying in for now. But first thing I'm gonna do is take up these tiles, and then I'm gonna go from the underneath, masonry up, and then that's where I'll get where I'm taking the floor out, and then that's what we're gonna work from that opening. And then from there then, we can decide on what type of stairs we're gonna be able to get in. I may end up even having a fireman's pole in if I can't get the stairs in. So yeah, cool. I think one thing that I am going to try and do is I am going to try and save these tiles, because I'm hoping that these will come up, because obviously once I've taken the hole up I may need to use a few of them to finish it off. But yeah, let's see if they come up all right. So they've been like dot and dabbed on, which is not good. What I might be better off with, getting this in and getting that on hammer. Oh, there we go. Coming up in 1, which is nice. That is what we want. So rather than hitting it with a hammer, vibration. Beautiful. Struggling with at the minute is I'm working, obviously, you know, and it's winter hours, so it goes dark really early. So I am actually struggling to get home from work and do work on the cottage. I need it to be summer so I can work till late. These tiles are just breaking. So I'll have about 900 opening by about, got about 1600 there, which is not too bad. So we have got a decent size opening. There we go. Full tiler. Nice. Beautiful. So now we've got this front tile up, I literally, this floor is coming out here, so I don't have to bother chasing all this out. I just need to know, I'm gonna send this up from underneath now with the masonry bit, so I find out whereabouts my joists are ending, where I can go up, and then that's where I can start knocking the floor out. I've got, every time I wanna go into my cellar, I've got to come down these steps and then go in through this door here. Show you into this door here. I'm also going to need a new window, and I'm also going to get a really nice new front door as well. Let me show you and take you inside. So this is where my cellar is, and this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to send up some screws over here so I can find out whereabouts this is starting in my cellar. So then once we take this joist out, we know then where to cut these floorboards, so then we can create the opening for this. Sorry, I'm going to flip you this way. The next part for that then is where this the stairs can go in. We need to find like a way, again, a stairs in. I am praying that I can get a stairs in. And do you know what? If anyone can give me any advice on what type of stairs I can get in here, I did originally want a spiral staircase, but I'm feeling that it's the gap's going to be too small. So I'm hoping that I can maybe get a space saver stairs in. Do you know, a nice oak one where it looked nice? But yeah, we'll see what happens. So yeah, I've got my DeWalt SDS now, and I've just put a masonry bit in, and I'm just going to go up and through the floorboards, through the concrete, and let's see whereabouts it starts. And in my kitchen, hopefully it'll be where them tiles are, where I've tucked them up. Let me get the ladders here. Let's go up. Let's see, I reckon about there. Let's go in middle here actually. Oops, wrong setting. Right, I am going to leave that there, and let's see whereabouts that's come out. Let me show you. I'm showing you in real time here, so there's no editing, nothing. Let's see whereabouts that has come up. Right, whereabouts has that masonry bit come up? Whereabouts is it? Oh, there it is. There you go. So that is pretty much perfect. So that's where it's come up. So that is where all this is going to be coming up. So what I'm going to do now, where them floorboards go up there, I'm going to go across that with the multi-tool, going all across. And then I can start cutting these joists out, and then I'm hoping that this floor will just fall through. Doing this the easiest way or not? I feel like that's the right way to do it. What do you guys think? Yeah, my next thing now is to take that out. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my multi-tool, and I'm going to multi-tool across all this here, going all along. And then, yeah, can start taking these joists out, I think. One thing I am going to do, make sure I've got a nice brand new blade in it. Let's start multi-tooling. Can that come down? There we go. Whew. Right, let's knock that out from above. Oh, so dirty. You don't realise how dirty it is. That's not going through. Oh my God. Right, I need a bigger hammer. There we go. It's going through. We have it all. We finally have it all. And that is pretty much what I wanted to get out for now before I can take a proper look at it to see what hole we need to make up. One thing I do want to show you, and what I want to be careful with here, I have had a few comments in my latest video saying about structural stuff like Yorkshire stone flags may be structural and part of like I don't know, the walls or something. But what I want to show you is, I'm not going to take these ones out yet because I want some advice on them. But let me show you this. So obviously I've got one full Yorkshire stone flag there, which obviously is going to need cutting. And then I've got another full Yorkshire stone flag there as well, which needs cutting. But apart from that, all we need to do now, which is going to be in the next video, is me cutting a nice clean line across here. So we've got obviously the finished, I won't say finished edge, but we've got a nice thing to work with. And then it's going to be taking the floorboards up and the joists, and then the next part is going to be yeah, seeing where we can get this stairs in and what we can work with. So whew, we're getting there. We've got the base of a hole. Well, we've got a little bit of an hole. It could be a nice little washing hatch, that, you know, from my washing down. But yeah, I'm happy with the progress we've done on this video. If you like the content and you want to follow the journey of this hole in the floor, I'm so excited to get this done. And yeah, this kitchen is also going to be taken out, replaced. I'm going to put a new kitchen in, which is what I want. Not sure what type of style of kitchen, but also as well, but I want to show you, I have got these brick slips, which are going to go probably on this wall here as a feature all the way down. With some nice lighting, and also this brick wall here. These are false, by the way. These were on when I bought the house, but I'm going to get these on here as well. So it's going to be one lovely feature. And then I'm going to have my staircase going into my cellar. It's going to come together nice, and I'm excited to show you guys what I'm going to do. I've got a vision, and yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment, any ideas, what you think you might have to share with me, and I will see you on the next one. See you later.